Hello friend and hello student. In this session, we learn the disconnected platform or architecture in ASP.NET with C Sharp with all operation. So let us start. I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch my video better way. So here Microsoft Visual Studio Express for web edition open and here connectivity website folder is open and here file menu I take new web page or new file. So here C sharp web form file is there and here you can give the name of web page and that is a disconnected uh, that is platform. So we can disconnected student form use and all performing all operations. So like insert, update, delete, search or display. Okay, so I just add disconnected student. Yes, now is include and here we can fix our goal in title head section in HTML and the title that page of title and that is a disconnected architecture or you can say that platform technique that type of word use and here we cannot waste our time in design part because in connected part I take all design part how to perfect way so in table format. So here I think let us check first that design. So here yes that student in connected I give the demo. So there are 5 fields and here I change the checkbox list. In previously I can use the single checkbox 3 but here checkbox list control there are only one change and we can use the technique of disconnected architecture and performing all operation search display in grid in also we can page also display. So I just take this design. Yes, and here panel, there are 3 panels. First, our main that is student information, and second in between there is second panel, yes, part, and that is search operation, and third is a that grid view. That okay, so I first close this connected, and now I provide here disconnected. So all are well, but we can change some. So here first our panel that alignment I perfect, and then all are okay because we can also take in disconnected student information so we cannot change. You can also take employee information of that type and here table there are tr and td. I just yes that t to td of that row and also here that tr and td all are used. So here txtrno that is we can use in our id in our coding part so we can refer txtnm that is a student name. Then gender, yes, there are 2 radio button, male and female, and their ID RBM and RBF. So we can remember. So we can use in our coding part. So DDL drop down and that is standard. There are BCF 1 to 6M in drop down that item. And there are, I use that comment line because that comment line I just removed. That is a single checkbox list first I use. And now I remove this comment line because we have to use checkbox list control and that ID CHK. So how to use the group control like drop down is we can also use and also we can use in radio button list but there are only 2 items or one is selected. Radio vision is an optional button so we can that is not required to group control but single is there okay for that now and there are 6 button is there. First I just share that is a add button and we can when copy that time on click we have to remove otherwise taking the error. So here I remove all on click because we have to copy and paste to my previous video lecture. So I just remove all the on click of button and we can click and then take by one. So here there is a delete button and here also I remove on click but on client side that click is remaining as it is because that we can use here I show you. So here on client click return confirm dialog box and that parenthesis and single quote are you sure to delete this record or do you want to delete this record that type of confirmation message so that is delete operation. So we can use the on client click. Okay. So on client click that is confirm dialog box, and single quote that message is provided. And after parentheses, we provide the semicolon. Confirm is a dialog box. So OK and cancel two button appear automatically. We can OK, then record is deleted, otherwise not deleted. Cancel button we have to press. Okay, and then exit. How to exit in web technology? Windows C Sharp, you can just this dot dispose, you can go out in window form, but here web page. So here we can use on click, on client click, JavaScript S is capital, that syntax, colon sign, Windows dot close method is there, and semicolon, return false. So that is a syntax of how to close. So there are two on client click in delete, and that is exit button. There is no any other coding, so that is a, we can just in copies my connected architecture demo. So that is disconnected, and we can use 5 field of student, roll number, name, gender, standard, and hobbies. And hobby we can one change, and group checkbox list control use in this session. And now there are search panel, and that is a roll number wise, name wise, search, and all. So name wise, and here we can take the drop down, but I just remove this select index change. We can take new, but in previous we have to copy, so I just remove that, and also remove the, yes, text box check change, yes, text change event. So we can click, and that time that appear that we have to go. And yes, other, yes, also that radio button is there on check change event. So I just remove all previously click event, and that panel, yes, there are auto, and that also select index change, that our grid view. So that is, we can select the record, but that ID I just show you how many properties set in grid view. ID is GV, run at server side, data key name, that is our first field name. And in disconnected must be, you can provide the primary key, otherwise update and delete operation not performed. So connected is a no provide, there is no any error, but disconnected you must be supply the first field is a primary key. And auto generate select button, and other radio button ID here search, that RB, RNO, RBS name, search name, and RB all. And by roll number wise, by name wise, and by all, that search operation. There are 3 radio button, and name wise we can apply the drop down list box to fill our student roll number. And here I also radio button check change event remove. And then the name wise we can take one text box, and that ID txt sm, so we can refer that ID in the code part. So whenever you can refer, like here we cannot change the label ID. Okay, so one label we have to remaining as it is, like some label we can change first initially typing, so otherwise label one, but that is not requiring coding part. So whenever that control requiring coding part, you give the prefix like txt nm. So txt is a prefix for text box, so we can easily find out which control is working in our coding part. So let us our design how looks. So if you, yes, some color if you change, so there is here no require, we can not waste our time, and directly can start. But first we can create, our design is ready, I just copy in my previous video lecture demo. So now I first create one table in access database. So yes, I just open access database. So here Microsoft Office 2013 is there, and access database, yes, and now is open and create. Yes, so I just close directly that clicking. Yes, here our that test database is there, or temp, that is our E drive, that our ASP.NET 2020 folder. So we can temp DB database, and that let us how many tables. So you have to know very well how to create the database in Access. Okay, and here student is there. So here create new and table design. I here take menu create and design directly. So here RNO roll number, then no, number is that data type, and here you can provide also that description and S name, student name. Yes, that short text is complete, that data type require our text, and here you can provide the student name, that type of, that is optional part, but in project you have to done in ASP.NET as a website, so you can provide that documentation part is very important. And here that is gender gen, so that is an standard, that fourth field, and that giving the variable you can apply the rules of variable. So any not reserved keyword, not any symbol, first letter must be alphabet, underscore is allowed but not, you can take uppercase, lowercase, or that combination of field name. So after you can forget, so taking error. And property name you cannot give like a password or a date, height, width, that type of, okay. And last is a hobby, but there are three hobby, so that size is not sufficient. So here in 2013 of it, so long text, in previously only text data type, but now is long and short two data type. And here we can provide must be as a primary key. So here that button primary key, and you can also right click and assign the primary key. And now close this and taking table members, here we can give the student info, so that is only one table student. So here we can combine stud info, student information, that type of meaning. And I, okay. And we can close this, otherwise we can taking the connection string, that type error you have to know in connected article. I show you how to error. So I just close this access, and now come back to Microsoft Visual Studio Express for web. And first we can take our connection string in tools, yes, and connect to database. You have to know very well. And here access database file, if you not access work, SQL server is there, Oracle is there, so that is a data source. And here is a provider, okay. So here is provider OLDB, okay. So here we cannot change, but just I show you, if you use other backend tools, so you can benefit for you. Okay, now, okay. And here we can take our database. So here temp DB, yes, that our table, that table in this temp database, temporary, so that meaning. And here our main folder, so I in main ASP.NET E drive, that is a temp DB already created, and we can create new table, okay, stud info. And here we cannot, yes, you, if you check this, yes, there is no any error. If no selected, there is no error. So we cannot select test, and taking advanced button, and here home key and shift and end key, copy your connection string, copy, control C, you to know very well, and okay and okay. So we can start our coding. And here look, that green sign is here, that is data explore window. And here expand button, expand. And table here, yes, student info is new table, and that all field RNO, S name, gender, standard, and hobby. So we can just, I hidden, okay. So that is not fixed over, okay. Now we can start our coding in save button first, okay. So here first we can take, here look, in first you can see your namespace, or Java is known as a package. So system data is not there. So in disconnected, there are two namespaces required. So using keyword and system dot data. So data directly you cannot provide, otherwise taking the error, like data set, data table, data row, and column class in this namespace. So here we can separate, there are two namespace, system.data, and then we can take OLDB, ODBC, or SQL client. In my previous video, I insert and display in the SQL client, SQL Server database. So if you also watch that video lecture. And here we can use OLDB because we can use access date, that is universal. You can also connect any MySQL or Oracle or SQL Server also, and here we can use access database table. And all any version, here I use MS Microsoft Office 13. You can also use the in previously 2003 or 7 Office, there is no any issue, okay. So my just point is, remember here you can provide two separate, otherwise taking the error, because that is a disconnected architecture, okay. Now our coding, and that is a OLDB. First we can take connection CN, that variable, then OLDB, that is a data adapter, and CA, yes, and then OLDB, that is a command builder class, CB, yes, that is a behalf of ourselves, that is a write the insert update delete query. That is a different way in connected. In connected you can write insert update query yourself, but here command builder update our database server table because we can perform in client memory. So data adapter, there are two methods, fill and update. Fill, we can take the server table to client memory, and after behalf of ourselves, that is a command builder class, write, insert, update, delete. So here we can write the insert query, not write the query, but select query in all operation, insert, update, and delete. So there is some different way in disconnected. So name itself, that is not connection is live, automatically open and close. So we cannot take care. Like in connected, we can open and close connection in ourselves. So here I use data set, not data. There are two choice, single table. In disconnected architecture, there are two choice, data set or data table. In my previous demo lecture, I show both of data set how to use and data table how to use. So if you not idea in the how to use the data table, so you can watch that demo video lecture in YouTube. Okay, Ashok Sijala Academy in my channel. But here I directly use the data set. So when number of table you have to work, there is in disconnected only one choice, and that is a data set class. So here I not repeat the data table, directly use data set, and now remaining one and then data row class. So here I use dr, and here I also again second time, because there is a grid, we can use select record. That time one dimensional array data row is required. So here first subscript, and then that is a single object or reference, and here one dimensional array a dr. So array of data row, that is meaning. So I give short. So we can actually use phi class in this session. Okay, there is only two same class object. One is a simple and one is 1D array type of object. Okay, now open that we have to provide cn and provide the connection string in between the double quote, and you have to know very well, we can prefix is a @ sign, and I copy and paste. You can already take the connection string. Okay, so there are two ways you can provide the @ sign. Otherwise here you can provide two slash. So one way you have to not provide both. If you not provide here @ sign, so here take the double slash. There is a other way taking the error. So there are two way, @ sign is a prefix, or other there is a two slash. Okay, so here we can use @ sign, that is a better, or looking also better. Okay, now we cannot open, like in connected we can open method, but in that name itself disconnected, automatically that destroy that connection, and when we are fill method, that automatically connection is open. So we cannot take open and close to ourselves. Okay, now one important method of here, and I show you, I just go in drop down list box. Here we can provide the 6 BCA same. So here I can take 3 as a dynamic and 3 is a static. There is a static, so I just remove these 3. Okay, and only 3, 1 2 3. But how we can provide in page load event, there is one way, and that is named drop down dot items. Yes, that is member, and add method. What I can do this, because one important property I can understand you. BCA I think 3 4, and I just copy this line. So here 5 and 6. So one important property, if you cannot provide, then many times BCA 4 5 6 is appear in the drop down, but here one important property and not equal to sign, and is post back, that is property of page class. You can see in the tooltip page dot is post back. So also you can write page dot is post back. Is post back, what is the use? Only one time you can provide your code that write in this say if condition. So here we can only assign this drop down only one time, otherwise all time that filling. So whenever you require only one time, that code you have to apply is post back. That is a property. So I understand. I explain this is post back property. So I take this 3 drop down item is a dynamic. So there is a also very useful property. So many time in ADO.NET we can also take this connection string, because that we can take only one time, but we can use so many button, and then so we cannot take in that if condition part. Okay, so whenever you require only one time code in post back to server side, that code you write in under this section only, that is not equal to first time, that is a false, so that is true, not equal to true or false, false or true, so that is a, so otherwise first time is a true or false, so that true, and otherwise all time is that true, so that is a not equal to, so false. So one time that code is a execute, that is my that is meaning is post back. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, now we can first insert operation. Save means insert, and then we can take two string variable, yes, s1 and s2. Why? Because there is checkbox and radio button, we have to take the value. And here we can first take the radio button rbm dot check, if check, yes, that checks that property is return boolean value, see in the tooltip. So we can take directly in if condition s1 equal to rbm mail dot text, directly take to s1 variable. Okay, and in else part, that s1 rb female, that text, that if condition is false, so female is radio button is selected. Okay, now what we can do, so we can take one for loop. Okay, and that is a I initialize to 0, then I less than, because that is a checkbox, so we can take that value chk, that id, and here our previous id also used, so I can remove this because that disturb to our code. If we can also remove this design part, yes, let us, yes, in other page that use, so here that only libraries include, yes, we can take our checkbox list, yes, so here is a chk, just our name, that is a checkbox list, not single checkbox, and there is a 3 item: reading, running, and playing chess. Okay, so here we can take chk dot uh, items, yes, that member item, and count is property, so that is return integer, so how many, there are 3 times that loop is execute, and I plus plus, so yes, and we can take s2, that and plus equal to, just plus equal to, that is compound assignment operator, and then we can take chk, yes, chk, yes, and then items of, that is 1D array, so that is item of, then text, so that is, and one blank space is required, otherwise all are concatenation, so we can separation within a, that is only one field we can store our hobby, 3 hobbies there, so one field we can store, so we can separate blank, and we can use the whenever in grid you click select button, that appropriate control is selected, so also we can help this blank identify which radio button is on or off, that time also we have to use. So here one give the error, so that error remove by equal assign that blank, so that error is gone, yes. So I save, so our checkbox and radio button is value is s1, taking the radio button, s2 the checkbox value, and now our coding is start, and that is a insert operation, but we cannot write insert query, that is a disconnected, so data adapter class, and that is a same syntax like in our command class in disconnected architecture. So here constructor, there are two parameterized constructor we have to take. First you have to look at syntax, so here that is overloaded, so here I just write again, so you can see the better way. So here, yes, that appear and gone, so I just click on mouse over, so that is overloaded. So here I first take like, and then comma, so that syntax is display, so that select command text and then connection, so pass, so we can see, and that pass same like command class in connected. And here we can insert operation, first write the select the query, select from, yes, and then stud info, that our table name stud info. Okay, so there are two argument, two parameterized construct call. First is a query and second is a connection. So then we can data set that memory allocation provide and data adapter dot fill method, and here we can take the ds data set. So what is the meaning of these three lines? So I just write in comment line, I step by step explain. So that server table load into client memory, that is a meaning. So server table load into client memory. So there are three lines: select and data set and fill method taking the server table to the client memory. Okay, now after taking the table, we can add one blank row. So we can say that uh, client table uh, add new row and column fill. Column fill means give the value, or we can say that give the value. That is a second part in disconnected. So that is insert operation. We cannot write insert query. So here data row, that is a handler, and data set of table, that is number of tables. So we can take 0 table, and then new row is a method. So new row return the data row object, or we can say the data row. So we can take dr. Okay, so that method return the, so that new row is a taking the blank row, that is our, and then dr of 0 and taking one by one our column, and that is a roll number, then text. Yes, that first column is filling, then second column, and that is a our we can say that name of student. Yes, that is the name. So txt nm, yes, that text. That other text is search name. So then third field, and that is S1 gender. We have already taken S1 here. Yes. So and now that is a fourth field. Yes, that is department. That department in employee, here I used in previous my video lecture is a employee use, so that word department not but standard. So here we can take the selected items or tax. Yes, and that last is hobbies. So that is a checkbox we can take in S2. Okay, and now what to do? Here just filling is complete. Now add this row. Yes, yes, that's spelling. Yes. So now here we can uh, take add method. So data set dot tables of 0 dot rows. Yes, that member row, and then add method is there. So that is a adding in client side, not server side. So we can pass the data row. So that is a complete, that our second step. So first step, server table load into client memory, that is 3 line, then client table add new row and column giving the value, and add, that is adding. Now that complete, and now here server table update, that is a 2 line or validation also. So here command builder class is used to update our server, and behalf of our, that is write the insert query. So very important logic here, and data adapter pass in that constructor command builder class. And here I take one integer res result value, and then data adapter dot update method, that is a update to, and that return data type is integer. So here I take the integer and pass the data set. Yes, in between data set, or you can also pass data table, but here we can use data set. Okay, now that okay, and we can validation that complete code res is greater than 0, that means successfully. So response dot write, and here insert record successfully. So yes, yes, now okay, and else part response dot write. Yes, and here we can say that error in insert or the insert record. Okay, so that is a finish. Okay, so there is a insert operation in disconnected architecture. So there are three parts I divide. So server table load into client memory, these three lines, and client memory we can fill blank row and add column wise and adding that row, and then server table command builder that in behalf of our write that insert query and update that database table, and that okay, so that positive value return, so we can condition that validation greater than 0 that insert record successfully, and otherwise that is a error. So I think all are well. Yes, and now we can display also. So here I can public one user defined method and fill grid. Yes, so filling the grid, that meaning, and here I write copy these three line because that three line everywhere used. So first we can do any operation, we can take server table into the client memory. So this three line is fixed. Okay, select query connection pass in data adapter data set memory and fill to that load the table in field method. And now grid view that id gv and data source. So data source and data source id that is used in binding part data source id, here data source use and data set or table of 0 cannot write that part, that also valid because here only one table, but we can habit this because number of tables that way we can forget taking error, and then that is a initialize that statement data source. Now we can bind, so that is a bind method we have to use. Okay, so I think that is finished, and we can call this method in form load. Yes, so that is benefit, and that is in now library fill grid, that is user defined method. Whenever we require, we can call this method. So after here we can also fill grid I call. Yes, so that one method we can call in three, and also update delete I call this method, and also take one clear method as a public. So after we can insert and we can clear our record in control. So here I now passed txt roll number dot text. Yes, and that is just blank, and txt that name dot text. Yes, that is also blank, and then radio button is there. So rbm dot check. Yes, so that is a, I think you have to know. Then radio button dot check is a deselected, means false, and else part is not selected male, so female is check, and that we can false. So we can clear after filling, save after, and then that is a drop down dot, yes, that four field selected item dot text and blank, and last is a checkbox. So I take this for loop again, copy and paste to here clear operation, and that we can here not use that if condition we have to use. So here I provide opening closing brace, and here if that checkbox dot items of I is selected, yes, that property is selected, and that is also written boolean value. So directly if, and then we can deselect it. So that items of selected, yes, selected of I, yes, of I, then selected is appear. So we can false. So all are deselected, that meaning. Okay. So all is well, and after saving this method, we can call this clear. Yes, so all are clear. So I think you can understand what is a clear. So now we can perform insert display, insert in grid view display, and now I can also write the cancel button. There are only two or three lines there. So I write cancel. So we can just call clear, and we can take one flag variable after this. First we can check this the code is work where or not. So let us take Okay, so that is running, and now yes, disconnected student all ASPX. So yes, first we can give, there is grid view first, not any record, so that is not display in runtime. We can bind that record, then that is display. So here run and mail, yes, and that BCSM6 and all hobby I selected. That is a checkbox list control, and save button we have to write. Yes, yes. So insert record successfully, and here that grid view, that record is appear. Okay, so that is a insert and display. Also you can see clear all, that clear method we have to call. Okay, and exit button we have right, yes, that automatically give the Microsoft Edge that this, do you want to close this window, the page you are viewing is trying to close, yes, so we can close. So that our successfully insert, and now cancel button and add. Now I use add button, auto generate, that first I stop debugging, and here I write auto generate. So first I take one flag variable. Now we can logic and not duplicate code over. So here I take static keyword and integer bt flag. So what is a use of flag? This, yes, that initialize 0. So when flag is 1, we can perform the insert operation, and flag 2, that is a update operation. So we cannot write this duplicate code again in update. So all this code we can directly use in update operation. So yes, we can perform insert and update. Okay, so okay, so here flag value I take. Yes, first bt flag is now and one, that value and clear method uh, in, that is in cancel, bt flag now in 0 in cancel, that are two statements. And here we can write three statement. I think that copy I have, yes, that three line. So I just copy these three line all where. So here I paste, and here one change, not asterisk sign. Here we can use max and RNO, that is our field, first only field. And we can take one if condition, if data set table of 0 index and then row, and that 0 row and 0 column, and then that equal. Okay, so I think yes, that value equal method I use, if that blank. So here I use equal, yes, and that return boolean. So we can use that return type is boolean. So we can directly take in if condition. So we can take one integer variable like r and initialize to 0. So here we can r equal to 1, our auto generator. You can also take 101. So that is also possible. In else part, we can copy this part, yes, and here I paste and roll number assigned, but there is a integer, and here we can that typecasting, that is return string. So here we can convert to string, that is return string, but we can convert class use here. If it's convert dot, yes, convert dot to in 32, yes, and then we can parenthesis and plus 1, so addition 1, and we can provide our text box dot text, yes, and equal to r dot to string, because r is integer. And now our roll number that enable I can false, because we can take auto generate. So here I false that enable, and directly focus in our text name field. Yes. So yes, now is okay. So all code is well. Okay, so yes, first we can check this code working or not. I just show you. Then we can perform the update and delete. First we can select the grid view, and then update delete. Yes, so I just press add. So yes, now that two number auto generate. So yes, that working. Now our T button, exit, and now update delete, but we can select that record appropriate and then update delete and then remaining the search part. So now I can exit, not give the record. Yes. So first we can take the grid that selected index change event. So here that grid and that auto generate select and data key name we can provide. So I stop debugging and now we can select. Yes. So here we can provide. Yes. So here we can also take coding selected grid and that we can select the record appropriate. So here we can use logic sum important part to ourselves. So which logic we can take here? So first three line is a same as our previous. So I just copy, not that copy in our that statement. So I just copy these three line. That all where that three line is, yes, these three line. I copy these three line in selected grid also because that name, yes, that okay, and that we can take one string variable. Yes, here is string, and then we can say that we can say that student RNO, okay, and then our original field RNO equal sign, and then grid UID GB, and then selected that value property is there. So selected value is there, okay. So here plus sign is concatenation is remaining. Yes, plus. So yes, now I think gone error. There is no any error. And now I use the data ADR, data row, that is handler, and data set dot that we can use table of zero index and then select method is there. Yes, select. And we can pass to SRNO, that is our selected that table field that serve client side. Now we can select roll number that appropriate control is appear, that type of logic. So first we can selected value that return object we can concate in RNO our original field equal sign and store in one SRNO string field, and we can pass that select method. So that record is selected, and how we can confirm this record is selected, and that you have to know array of data row we can define in here. First I can show you here. So that is we have to use, okay. So that is a 1D array. So one record is stored and one, then we can one if condition, yes, and then data of that uh, count method is there, count, yes. So number of record we can select count, yes. So count is there and greater than 0 means that record is perfect selected, and now we can step by step like txt or roll number dot text we can assign that appropriate data ADR, yes, that ADR use, and zero index and then column name example RNO and dot to string, yes. So second that is a name field, yes, at the same process text and then equal ADR of 0 and then our S name is there, S name our field name second column and dot to string, and now that is a radio button is there. So we can have that ADR yes of 0 and then GEN gender our field name and dot to string. So here we can give and one define here string variable. So here directly I define here at position. So here local variable string. Okay. So now if condition, if and trim. So all any blank space trim and start. So trim means blank and then equal method is there equal. And here in double quote if mail is there text. So we can RB mail dot check I true, that is selection, and if female is there as part, so we can take the female or check, yes. So that is true, yes. So that is the radio button selected. Now we can drop down dot selected item dot text, yes, and that we can assign the ADR of 0, that is row is same but column is different, and that is a uh, standard, yes, and double quote, and toString is also there. So path selected, and now turn to that our checkbox. So here we can provide one S2, and that ADR of 0, yes, 0, and then we can pass the hobbies, yes, in double quotes and dot toString. So how it can select, that is a main question. So here we can provide uh, if condition. So here we can take first we can take uh, for each loop, yes, for each loop, and first I take 1D array, so str and array. So here s2 dot split function is there, so we can separate our hobby, because we can provide the blank test. You have to we can insert that time, we can provide the blank value, so we can use that string just in for each loop in an str. So now we can select in that hobby. In here we can also take the for loop, because that is a checkbox, I equal to 0, and then I less than chk, yes, dot items dot count. Okay, so that is a count, yes, and then I plus plus. Okay, and then we can, if here, if condition, if s1 dot trim, yes, and then equal method use, and here chk dot items of I, and then text equal. So that checkbox we can on. So here chk again dot items of I dot check selected equal to true. So that is a nesting, yes, true, yes, yes, right. So that is a finish. So for each and for loop, because that is a checkbox list control now. So there is a, we can select it, yes. So that code is finished. So there is very important logic, there is splitting, and then we can for each one by one value is go here, and then appropriate equal method use here, and that checkbox is on. And if that you can also individual taking the value, there is no problem. So here if we can check that record is selected or not, if not we can take individual. Sometime we can here split use. So there is a like our design view, our hobby is in two part, playing chess, that only one issue. So let us check, I just run, and record selected, then we can perform update and delete operation. Okay. Yes, so I select record, yes, yes. So but our playing chess is not selected, so that is one issue. So there are two solutions, we can take individual or give the only one word in hobby, because that two words, so playing is word and chess is separate word, so that playing chess is not selected. So that is one only issue. So I previously say you that issue is generated. So we can individual check if condition. So that is also one here, and other we can take one word OB, that is other solutions. There are two solutions. Okay. So here we can, like music we have to give, there is error solar. Otherwise what we can do here, I just comment for you, and comment line, multi comment line, and here we can take individual, like we can take if condition, if, and then like s1 dot trim, yes, and then equal, yes, and then reading, yes, in double quote, reading word. So reading, just exactly match. So what we can chk dot items of 0, yes, and then selected equal to true. So individual we can, and just I select this if condition in two times, because there are three checkbox. So here we can running. So one word hobby, there is no issue, but there are two words that is creating problem. So only playing word. So that hobby is selected. Yes. So if you one word that use this for loop, and there are two word you have to hobby that use this if condition, we can check both. So I provide here two word, and now yes, first our record is selected or not. Let us check. I save and first stop debugging and now running. Okay, so yes, I select yes. So reading, yes, spelling mistake, running, yes, and then playing, PLM, yes. So what? Yes, here spelling mistake. So that is not selected. Yes, running. Yes, now in playing. So yes, here also provide the index change 0, then 1, and here 2. So copy and paste. So that is creating error. Now that perfect selection. Yes, let us I just run. Yes, so yes, so I just select. Yes, all are selected now. Okay. Okay. So there is so difficulty when two words hobby. So one word there is a we can take for loop, and there are two word hobby, then you can like that individual that item you select. And I also take this for loop if you select that is a very simple, but that in one word that is used perfect way. So I there two logic here, one that is only one word hobby, and here two word if that compare to here. So only we can check first word, other word I cannot check. So okay, now we can perform update and delete operation. That is, we can record selected, and now I can click on update or stop debug, and here what we can flag, bt flag 2. Yes, so and here there is no any require. So our insert all are well. So here our insert operation is there. So three line use. So but here is update is not same as a connected. So yes, these three line and all are as it is. So I just provide the flag here. If flag bt flag, just bt flag is equal 1, then this code I just all are yes, that all are in shifting here if condition. Yes, and now if flag bt flag 2 equal 2, so we can press the update, and then so all three line as same. Yes, these three line we can use same one, but now we can update our record. So what we can use, so our grid select logic we can use. Yes, here. So we can that record first selected, and then here now that I copy and paste. Yes, here. So yes, that use yes flag. So if all are well here, so here does change what I use the text box because that is a grid selection. Now our text box, that roll number dot text, that one only change here. Otherwise all are same. And based on the roll number we can edit our item. So ADR of 0, and then we can beginning edit, that method beginning edit we have to start, and then we can start our update operation, and that ADR of 0, and then column is our name s name, and then we can assign to our text box text name, that is same text. Yes, so here same radio button value is already in our there S1. So here 0 row, and then gender. Yes, then we can assign S1, that is a gender taking, and now turn to row is same, column is a standard, Yes, and that is a drop down list box, ddl dot selected item dot text. Yes, and then last adds our checkbox value, and that is a in uh, hobbies, that is column name, and that s2. So we can use that same here. I use, so that is duplicate code here, s1 s2, that is a, so we can write in save button. That code we cannot write duplicate, that precondition. All code we can use in save, insert, and update both. So that type of code, and also I copy this all, because we can just change our message only. Okay, so now is okay, and then provide to here. So I just change insert message to update. Okay, and here update if error is there. So yes, so let us take, yes, so, and also beginning edit and edit method is there, 0. Yes, and then end edit. Yes, so that is okay. So I save, yes, and then we can run this code update operation. And last is delete, and then search. Okay, so for long time is there, so I just complete this session. So first we can, I press the add button, so here now 2, and I give Sita first one insert record. Yes, so BCS M4 and hobby select 2. Yes, and then save button. So that is a way. Okay, insert is successfully displayed in grid. Yes, and all hobby. Yes, and so here we can select, yes, that first record selected, yes, selected all, and I update press first. You can press update, and I remove this, and here I same change, yes, same 3, and here I give the like Mira anything name, yes, and save button. So flag is 2. Yes, update record successfully. Yes, name is changed. Yes, that hobby is changed. Yes, so that is a well. Yes, update, and now last is delete. So yes, insert, yes, so selected. Yes, so if here, yes, here one in for loop in save button, we can concatenation in S2, but which hobby we can select it, that is the only concatenation. Otherwise, all hobby is selected. So that is one improvement. So CHK, yes, of items of I, and if that's selected, then and then this passed S1. Otherwise, what happened? There are all hobby are selected. So that is one. Here we can provide if condition. If user is selected, then we can take in S2. Okay, so that is one change. Otherwise all are okay. And now I perform the delete operation, that part, and first I stop debugging, and then yes, what happened? Yes, now yes, you can go in design tab. So I press in button 2 times, so that is happen. I double click, yes, and all are called copy. There is no in display. I just copy this all things in, like in our update operation. So yes, where update is here. So I copy this code all. Yes, that all things I copy, but I remove some part. Yes, I copy all the part. Yes, here, and paste to delete button. Yes, so you can see how delete is very simple, only one line, but that is remove only. Yes, that is not required. In between there is a one method, I just only all are copy. Yes, delete button. One is ADR of 0. Yes, and that is a delete method is there. But just only one line coding. All are copy. Yes, that two lining update, and here we can change our message, that is a delete record successfully. So deleted record successfully, and here successfully not word use, deleted record. Yes, deleted record, and here we can error in deleted or delete. Thus okay, all are well. So delete is complete. Let us check. First I run, and last is a search. Yes, so only search is we can take place. So now complete our session. So close here. I just select yes. What? So yes, what all are well. So what happened? Yes, our select grid. Yes, what happened? Any change is there? So that not selected. Yes, I double click. Yes, that select index change event is not work. So I think that is deleted or what happened that. So yes, that some problem is there. Yes, that is method is there. So what happened? So that yes, that taking new method. What is this? Why giving not this method? So we can write this code in select index change even in grid view. So I click in double time. That is some happen this type of thing. So grid view I just stop and save. Yes, instead taking new method. So we can design some changes there. So let us take in design part. Grid view, there is some problem issue created. So yes, here is a taking one. So automatically that method not. So when I press double click, that time some design is changed. So that is not. Yes, now I click. Yes, now that perfect. So that is a happen sometime. So there is a now okay. I think yes. Yes, now okay. Grid. I just minimize that size. So that is happen. We can change also. I selected, yes, that selected and delete. Yes. So that are you sure that our on client click? Yes, I cancel first and then again press delete. So that okay, yes, that record is yes deleted. Yes, you look in the delete record. So and after we can call the grid. So record is deleted, but we can call also in delete button grid and clear. Yes, that remaining. So delete yes here. So fill grid, yes, that fill and then clear also clear is there. Yes, so all are well. Now we can take the here I this radio button selected and that combo is filled means our ID student roll number is filling. So I just copy this three line to our main. Okay, so where is there? Yes, here is there. Yes, so I copy and paste to our search operation. So here we can just require roll number, not all record. And now we can take one for loop and integer I equal to 0, I less than data set of table of 0 and then rows dot count. Yes, count. Yes, and then I plus plus or also you can take the R, okay, and drop down that is search, then items, yes, items of add method is there, and you can fill data set of tables of zeros and rows, yes, but rows, yes, and of row is a I and column is a 0, that is a fix because roll number is filling, so that is a first column. Yes, all are well. So we can also check that radio button select index auto post backing we can, yes, that is auto post backing. We can copy our design code in my previous video lecture. So auto post backing on. Okay, so radio button is selected and drop down I just select index change event. So I copy again this three line, yes, and here we can what to do, one take x variable and our drop down dot selected item dot text, yes, but that return is integer. So we can convert integer, so convert to in 32 and here, yes, and where clause here, just where RNO equal to and double quote and plus sign and in between X, okay, and also query in double quote, okay, so all are gone, and just grid you, yes, gv dot data set data source, yes, and equal to data set dot table of 0, yes, that record is selected, and then preview dot data uh, bind method data source after that is initialized. Only one change here where clause is there, but otherwise all we can say that grid record display, that is same logic we can here use. So and all that is only we can call that is a field grid, all that is first complete, and also I taking the text change that and all code I copy when you can use the like operator. Yes, I copy this code and paste to here, and here I change that line is not required. First we cannot drop down the text box, and here we can take the S name, that is our field name, and we can use the like operator, like like, and there single quote, double quote, and plus sign, and that is our text box s txt s name dot text, yes, and here I just above, and here we can use the percentage sign, that is syntax part, like operator in single quote and in double quote. So you can write for simple definition, single quote, double quote, you have to know very well, and after that double quote is there. So yes, so now is no any error, so all are well, okay. So I save, and now I run all operation I perform. Let us check all is well or not. Okay, so long time is there, so because we can take all operations. So now first I increase the size of grid, so that is a size is some decrease. So here that size we have to increase. So I think that is better. Yes, I save and run. Okay. Yes, now okay, and I press add button. So yes, yes, so that is yes, some not yes, that 3, and you can take RAM. Yes, RAM is not, so yes, mail, yes, sometimes that not giving perfect, so I select yes, all hobby no, but only 2, and then I can press add, so save, yes, yes, exit, yes, what happened, so all are well, yes, um, yes, yes, yeah, what happened is we can change our uh, design view that giving the error. So here that button taking new on click event, so that is not working. Here is 1, so that assign default. So when we can uh, change that size, that taking new on click event, so that is a happen sometime. So now is I think okay, just let us add, yes, that 3 now, because that roll number 2, so now is perfect, and RAM, yes, then mail. So sometimes that is that type of error appears, so not, don't worry, any error is there, and then save, yes, successfully, and again I click add button, yes, so there are I think 4, yes, and I take Ramesh, so Ram and Ramesh, there are 2 record we have to, and we can search also that, so yes, and I first and last hobby, and then save, yes, yes, successfully. So I think just show you, so we can increase the grid with that time taking error, that clicking new method, and here I take that search, yes, that all roll number is filling, and now I can, yes, that yes, search is complete perfectly. So I 4, yes, 4 is there. I select auto post backing on this, that radio button, this drop down, and that also here I select now RAM, RM. So both are appear, Ram and Ramesh. And here I give the E, so that is Ram is gone, only Ramesh is there. Because like operator, how many character is made, that type of record is display. And again all, so that is display all. So all are well, update, delete, and successfully all operation. So someone we can change our design that taking error. So first time taking the error. Okay. So I think all are well. And here I change only one and I exit. Yes, that exit. And I first show you that we can, I open this logic and also check, but we can change and comment line of this. That is also possible. We can also use that logic in our, but I change that hobby in design part, and that is only one word. Here I providing the music, so only one word. So there is no issue like that for loop is exactly I save, first debug, stop, save and run last time. So let us check that logic is a perfect also, but one word hobby is there, so there is no issue in for loop. Otherwise taking the yes. So what we can do here, that selection, yes. So here three hobbies, yes, that all, but yes, here our previous is a we can change the playing. So one record we can, I just cancel. Yes, all are clear. Yes, that is also that disturbing on click event. So here I update, yes, that taking hobby as a music to replace all, and then update, press and save. Yes, so yes, so that is a perfect. I think we can change design part that taking the new event. So that sometime issue. Let us take that button is for all operation we have to perform. So update, yes, I first stop debugging, and then yes, that design is changed. So that is taking new event. So that is the issue. So how to solve this issue? We can go in design part, and here our update button that taking new one click on here look at one not is appear in our design part. So that time that giving the error. So now I just show you, I only we can change hobby also work in our for loop. That is only remaining part in this session. All are well. So I select this first record, yes, that is working. And now I replace this hobby, and now I update. First I click update, yes, I think I click update, and now I click save. But yes, now successfully. So here is music, and now I select that that working in for loop or not. We can check that. Yes, all that is a perfection. So that is a update perfectly. And now I delete this record. Yes, so yes, are you sure? Yeah, okay, then record is deleted, clear, and also in grid all are well. And we can search also perform all. Yes, let us take first. There are only two record, four record and three record only. Yes, and then name wise there is only, we can take like Sita is there or not. Yes, no any record, so we can provide like Ram. Yes, that is Ram and Ramesh both are there. And I give E, so that is like operator, and then all again. So yes, all operation perfect successfully. So I exit, yes, and uh, just show you coding. So stay all coding is well. So many coding here we can do. So first in page load with connection and is post back I explain in field grid. There is field grid operation. I just revise only summarize. So here that file line taking the server table client and assign to assignment and bind up data source VN. Clear, you have to know very easy. Here one change is checkbox list. Okay, and save here I not provide first if condition, so all hobby first selected, but if selected and then bind to s2 and plus equal to, that is compound assignment. And then three line you have to know very well. I just server to load and then flag one, so we can that client table new row blank and column by, and then add, and then server update, and then validation. Okay, and flag 2. So we can first select that record using this select method. That is only one way. That is update operation. So beginning edit and column by 4 column, because depend on the roll number we can update our record, and end edit. Okay, there are 2D array, and here row is fixed, column is changed. There are 4 columns, depend on the roll number we can update. That is update operation. And also after clear and cancel, there is flag 0 and clear, and add auto generate logic. Okay, so that is blank, then roll number 1, and then convert +1, and that assign to text box. Okay, so we can change in design part that taking no on click new method, so that time some error is there, and we can here show that is very important logic. And also split function we can use. Otherwise, that is normal selection in grid. That is a selected record from grid view. That then we can do update and delete operation. So here there are two ways. First one word, and if two word, then you can use simple if condition in our single checkbox list control. And then update only flag 2 we can, so not duplication code is, and delete we can write only just first that line. All are there, copy I update method, all copy this and just change the message, and also call the field grid and clear. And now last, that is select roll number. You can fill in combo box, search combo, that is based on the roll number wise, and then select index drop down, select index change. We can just where close. Otherwise, all code in the, we can say in the field grid, and all operation just call on field grid. And in like operator, that is last operation we can do, and like operator, like single quote in between percentage sign. Otherwise, single quote, double quote, you can first write and then percentage sign. So I hope you can understand and enjoy this session. Subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakadi. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.